So first we are going to go to App Store or Play Store and we are going to search for Tello. Now once we find it, we are going to install and open it up. Now the first thing we will do here is to connect the Tello device. So we need to turn it on. You will see the lights, and once they stop blinking with all these different colors, it means it's ready. And there you go. So now it's blinking and it is only one color, so it means it's ready. So we can go to our app and we can click on Connect Tello, and then we are going to go and connect to our Wi-Fi. So here we will connect to the Tello. Once that is done, we will go back. Now we can see the live stream from our Tello device. So here you can see the live stream, and now it means that it is running. So once you have the Tello working, you will go to Settings and you will go to More, and here you have to make sure that your firmware is up to date. So here you will see firmware version and you have to click on Update. So it needs to download first, so you will have to connect your Wi-Fi again. You will have to remove the Wi-Fi of the Tello and you will connect to your home Wi-Fi and you will download the firmware, and then once it's downloaded you will go back and upload it to the Tello device by connecting it again. So here you can see it's already the latest firmware. If it's not the latest, it will allow you to download, and once it's downloaded you can upload it to the Tello drone. Once everything is set, we are going to try to run it to see everything works fine. So we will click on the takeoff button and we will slide to take off. And now you can see the drone is flying, so we can go forward, we can go backwards, we can rotate back, and then we can go up, and then we can go down. So I think I am about to hit my sofa, so I better get back. Now one thing you have to note here is that even though this is we have two options here: tap to land and then hand landing. So most of the times when you're programming, you will be working with tap to land. Okay, so I want to mention here one thing which is very important. Even though this is an indoor drone and it is very suitable for indoor flying, you have to be precautious when you are running this drone. So it has a lot of safety features, but still you have to take care, especially of your surrounding. You have to be mindful of where others are, and you have to be mindful of where you are so that nobody gets hurt. So once this is done, we can go to the installations on our computer and we can start programming this drone.